Evening fellas, Ben back again, getting the timing chain tensioner swapped at Kickstart Garage. Sholing Nalu. You guys have anything to, fix? You guys can obviously come here and give it a shot. I've already made a video on the engine noise, and this is me helping myself with a possible fix, trying to see if the timing chain tensioner swap will help. Morning fellas, Ben back again. Just a quick update on the engine noise. What I did was we tried, that is, I went to Kickstart Garage and we just on a whim thought we'll try changing the tensioner, this fella, and see how this machine responds. There was a considerable difference in the previous one and this one. The new chain tensioner had so much more of spring tension than the previous one. The old one, the spring tension had weakened by a considerable amount. The new one was quite sturdy. It really had a lot of spring tension to it. So that kind of helped with one thing. It's interesting that the machine had a little bit of ticking noise, and it still does have a ticking noise, but along with the ticking noise there was a little bit of a chatter, and I wasn't really able to nail it down to something. The chatter and the ticking together made things a lot more irritable. So this, after the introduction of the new cam chain tensioner, the chatter part of it is completely gone. I only get to hear the ticking. Now with the ticking, I know for a fact that that's the valves, because it's not the head issue. I can very clearly nail it down to the valves, because now I've eliminated the chatter, I can clearly distinguish the sound as a head valve clearance issue. I'm not going to say that it's going to be it is something else, something a little more intense. The noise is very, very clear and precise. It's just the top of the head, and it should be valve clearance at best. So maybe playing with the shim sizes should be the solution. Otherwise, I'm going to let it be. I'm going to wait for the noise to become a little more loud and evident, and only then change the shims. But in the meantime, I'll make you guys listen to the engine noise, and this is definitely a surprise. So now the engine makes a noise which is clearly the bloody GoPro is still a problem. Just don't know what to do with it. Yeah, so on to the DJI Osmo, and now just to make you guys listen to the engine noise. Top of the head makes a ticking, and that is clearly that would be clearly the valve train business. I will have to first open up the head and check if the shims are working out, but then we'll do it later. Like I just said, I'll do it sometime later. I'll wait for the noises to go crazy and then maybe look into it. But for now, that's very clearly, obviously from the top. This portion makes absolutely no noise after the swap of the tensioner. One thing that I want you guys to know is it was not just the noise that was concerning. With the noise, so now that I've changed the tensioner, the motorcycle rides a lot more better. By better I mean it's a cleaner, crispier throttling business. Before I changed the tensioner, there was a little bit of an inconsistency with the throttling. For 1000 kilometers, what I mean to say is at 6005 I started developing an issue with feeling intermittent vibes on my throttle. Some parts of the ride were smooth, some parts of the ride were a little vibey and a little, I don't know, it was a lot of chatter in the engine that I could feel in the throttle, and that I believe now is completely gone after the swap of the new tensioner. The new tensioner in, my throttle is consistent. It's back to being like how it was when the motorcycle was new, crisp, smooth, and consistent. There was no irritation in the throttle. Remember, fellas, if it's an intermittent irritation, intermittent vibes, and then the engine settles down at a certain RPM, and then again it develops a little more vibe on the throttle, then it could be because of a variable tension on the the cam chain. Now with that in place, the new tensioner providing the right amount of tension to the cam chain pad, the whole business here seems to have quietened down, relaxed, and you feel the throttle is fresh and good. So yeah, just saying, these are my observations. There's just a ticking noise on top, and I know for a fact that that's definitely going to be the shims. Now when I listen to it again, it's obvious that it's a loose tappets, and I can definitely go ahead and fix that. But then we'll wait for this one trip. I'm going out on a long trip, and once that's done, I'll swap the shims and see. Meanwhile, a new chain tensioner. There's a little bit of information that you guys need to know. 40 Newton meters torque, and that's quite a lot of torque on a 27 millimeter bolt. 27 millimeter going into a threaded aluminium housing. Not really sure if 40 Newton meters is the right thing to do, but then if this can be 45, this can also be 40. Yeah, so that's that. And as far as the tensioner goes, I'll attach a picture from the service manual. I want you guys to know that you need to compress the new chain tensioner, hold it in place gently, shove that into the housing, and then tap this head with something like a mallet, just so that you release that. Once it goes in, a little bit of a jerk, a vibration on a nice hit on this will release the main piston or the tensioner rod, and that will push into the cam chain pad. So remember that you need to compress it and lock it in that transition position. I'll attach a picture for you guys to refer to. It's a transition position where you lock the clips and then shove this in. Nice bang, nice hit on top will release the piston into it'll go and push itself onto the cam chain pads, and that should take care of the system here. Well, that was that, a quick update on the new chain tensioner. This retails at 590 rupees. Not easy to procure this, because this fella is not available as a spare in the counter. They don't really give it out to people, you and me. So I had to use a little bit of influence. Basil from Kickstart Garage helped me get this, and then got this done at the garage itself. So yeah, just letting you guys know what are the developments with the engine noise. If this helped in any which way, it helped. And signing out for now. Ciao.